Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Not My Shop. We're here with my new truck. Not this, though. If you remember, I recently bought a Peach of a 1995 Ford Ranger, and it came in a state sort of reminiscent of a dumpster. Oklahoma State Troopers found it idling on the side of the highway, and it ended up at an impound auction where my buddy bought it and then sold it to me. And the entirety of the people's lives who had it before is still in the truck, probably growing something, probably actually considered a living creature. It's real bad. I drove it back from Oklahoma like that, and I probably have every disease known to mankind and at least 4 or 5 as yet undiscovered ones. But to clean it out, I'm gonna need some help. Hi.
Hello, I'm here to help. I just like playing with my toy car. Look, this was my daughter's Christmas present. I had it fashioned up to look like my Maserati because I'm a big fan of this paint scheme. Right down to the yellow headlights.
It looks significantly better than what I've brought. Let's
Okay, so we got to clean out some junk.
let's go behold the, let's go, see, he doesn't know what he's in for. I just asked, hey, you want to do in other people's cars, but on my channel and with, well, my car? And the idiot said yes.
I saw the video of you buying it, but I don't know if that did it any justice.
Well, you can't smell it through the video, so there's that.
Ah, there she is. She doesn't
Yes,
look so bad from back here.
Look at it. Yeah, from back here, it actually looks like an $800 car instead of whatever scrap value is today.
Don't sell yourself short. It looks like a $1,200 car.
Well, that's about what I'm into it after putting a new battery in the darn thing.
Oh, true. Wow.
I parked it here next to the other dumpsters just to make this as easy as possible.
This stuff was mentioned, but
yeah,
in person.
I kind of wanted to save it. You know, there's some real.
I mean, it's baffling that like somebody just walked away and that none of this was precious to them. I get that the CRT TV wasn't, because it's like, what are you gonna do?
Oh yeah.
But I mean, this is like somebody moving out.
How could you leave these whitewashed jeans that have now just congealed into a massive?
They're stiff.
They've congealed into a massive denim. The real piece of resistance, though, is
Piece of resistance.
locked.
Somebody might want this Jordan bag. Oh, hey, look, you got authentic Oklahoma red dirt.
Oh, good. Hey, I'll give you $20 to lick that seat belt.
This is what I need. This will get stuff
it's a
out of the
poking
way.
stick.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Huh.
You always need a good poking stick.
We might have already been in for something good. A piggy bank.
Is there any money in it?
What is it? The battery. That's just confusing. All right, before we get started though, I do need to unlock the dumpster because this is the exact scenario that we're worried about happening here. Is pretty much a Ford Ranger full of this exact stuff, pulling up and dumping it all into this, and then this becoming a police crime scene.
Hey, you're not worried about this. North Wichita. This isn't South Broadway. It's fine. Elliot, why don't you get in my bed?
This is the first time you've asked me to bed you. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it is actually that heavy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I thought it was just stuck under something.
Is this trash or do you want this?
I don't think that's even for this truck.
This is good metal right here, son.
Oh yeah, that's.
But let's get rid of it.
Have I mentioned my bad back? Oh, it's not that heavy.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Ah! Crunchy. You just called me Johnny Two Jacks.
We'll quit jacking around.
I'm jacked.
That's pretty jacked up, man.
Yeah.
That's a tough TV.
Jeez. Let's just dump this out.
Well, yeah, I was gonna say,
I'm
it's like, I
kinda-
want to see what items are.
Oh! Oh, that is.
Oh, that's like black mold.
No, we should not be breathing that. Nothing of interest.
No, nothing of interest to you. I
Quite
might
something.
save these Popeye boxers.
We're setting these gloves on fire after this, right?
Dude, these are gems.
They're about as hard as gems. What is this? The save pile?
This shirt was once white. And now, this is when I wish you had smell-o-vision. 3130s, a normal build.
Yeah, that's Jake sized.
Hey, the guy partied.
Huh. This test.
Oh, there you go.
See it explode. Oh, good. Now it's everywhere.
No, thanks, man. Oh, it's kind of sad when you think about it. Somebody probably wore this, and that tiki torch was lit at some point, and they had a nice evening. And now...
No, just end it there. It's very sad that someone was wearing that and there was a tiki torch.
And there was a single tiki torch.
That's just sad.
Oh no, spores.
Wow.
Oh.
That is an article there.
Corn cob. A single Jordan. With a sock fused to it.
That's impressive. What size is this? It's a men's 6.5. Wait, what the hell? Is this sign language? Deaf and Hearing Social Club. Oh wow. It is actually like...
Dude, that's where I hang out.
It is actually for ASL.
Oh. Age, sex, location.
What we're finding here, put this in the context of the stickers that are on the car for various dispensaries and familychurch.tv.
He was a religious deaf man.
A religious deaf stoner. This paints quite the picture.
You were saying that this was found idling on the side of the road by the police, and all of these shredded clothes.
He was raptured.
Yeah, well, I was... Yeah,
Jesus came and took him.
That is way more friendly than what I was thinking.
Weed Jesus. Yeah, also known as Snoop Dogg. Is this random LG stronger than an iPhone 6?
Oh,
It actually might be.
do you have the same brand as me right now?
Yeah, they're all LGs.
I don't know which way to bend it.
I have weak thumbs.
I just wonder if it'll snap, because I've got a good bend. Mine's really got a good...
If we bounce this hard enough, we could probably get the tires to leave the ground. Banana phone. These are durable.
This is good. This is good YouTube right here.
Yeah,
Remember.
of course it's track phone.
Hold on. Oh, well.
You missed.
Man.
That was really underwhelming.
Hold on.
Try harder, Elliot.
I hit it too far up. I need to...
You gotta hit optimal.
Oh! That did it.
Yeah, it's nice and bent. Oh, four-way.
Rusty or not.
I've always wanted a four-way, but my wife always says no.
This is impressive. It's like a stone.
Is it heavy?
See? But it's like a... It is...
This looks like
something geological.
It looks like an SCP.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, what is this? I guarantee this is some sort of footstone or something. Like a pumice stone with cheesecloth for some reason.
Oh, it's just coming apart in my hands. Someone in the comments, tell us what the heck this is.
Have you found a mystery stone in your Ford Ranger?
You might be entitled to financial
I actually
compensation.
am really happy with our underwear collection. So like I said, for how unorganized everything else is, they organize their containers very nicely.
Yeah, you've got piggy bank. Oh, that's the jungle juice right there.
Yeah, that's the forbidden jungle juice.
That's the stuff that gives you the really good superpowers. Hang on.
Is it anything?
Not really, but my nose doesn't work all that well.
See, honestly, when I watched your video, I really did think that this was a thin layer of chili still remaining.
Yeah, just a veneer. But what brand is this?
Is it worth saving for you? You want me to add it to the keep pile?
I don't think any part of this is worth. That's just all underwear. You want to take that one?
No. Oh, Captain America underwear.
Oh man.
Add it to the Popeye pile.
Collection.
I don't know why we're saving the fucking
for the grand reveal at the end. I don't know what to tell you. Well, it's the disintegrating underwear bag. Where does the collection of railroad spikes fit into all this?
That's just an Oklahoma thing.
There's 2, 3, 4 railroad spikes that I'm very tempted to turn into a shift knob.
Ooh, I like that. Oh, dude, whippets.
Oh no. So glad I didn't get pulled over in this truck on the way home. The finest assortment of lightly used underwear of...
I'm taking these though. Okay.
Okay.
Any problem with that?
No, you're welcome to whatever that is.
All right, I'm gonna add it to my keep pile then.
This is the real tasty part. The interior, this is what I'm real curious about, because, I mean,
Dude,
it's just gardening glove.
Stiff sock. Oh,
wow, you could ship someone with that. What's in this bag? We've got one thing in this bag. It is...
Ooh, what is that?
Kiss Power Flex pink nail glue.
See, this guy had a girlfriend.
Maybe.
Or at least a female companion.
He had a something.
How did you drive home like this?
When it's been a long day like that and you're just kind of through with everything.
Unopened mayonnaise, probably still good. This guy does love Marvel though. He had Captain America underwear as well.
Yeah.
Dude, this guy gets...
Is that his religion?
Possible. The guy gets high, watches Avengers,
Don't we all?
throws trash in his truck.
Is this Marvel? Paper? Is this Marvel?
That's the.
Oh my god,
Oh my
it's
gosh,
Deadpool.
it is. Okay, he's a fan.
Yep. This lady's booty shorts.
Like he had a 1+ at some point.
A man of taste. That is a small bra.
Ah, but looky here. We have 1 container of lemon haze.
Contains THC.
Contains THC.
Money order receipt.
How much? Ah,
That's
the devil's lettuce.
that's weed.
Yep.
$159.
This is a very specific amount. He's right though.
Fishing line.
You can't hustle with us.
You can't hustle with that shirt.
Right.
Reds, of course. I'm shocked they're not menthols.
I can't believe there's not beer cans all over this thing.
They don't drink.
I guess they don't drink.
Weed just better apparently. Oh, there we go. Vape charger. Sweet. Yeah.
We need to adjust.
Oh, filmmaking magic here.
Close,
This
huh?
thing's just a rolling.
Wardrobe?
Yeah.
Ah, this was from the Tiki Torch knife too.
Yeah.
This knife is a hey, check this out.
This is definitely the knife of a stoner. They look at that gear action. They just sit there for like 8 hours, just like.
It's like 5 teeth, and they're like, dude, that's nuts. How is it doing that? Hold on. I'm gonna add this to the keep pile too. These are in
I am
good
a
condition.
huge fan of Guinness.
You know what? I'm gonna put it in your keep pile.
Guinness Extra Stout. If anyone wants to send me a beer, send me Guinness Extra or Nitro Stout.
I really hope you get an influx of beer.
That would be great. I need a PO box. Oh no.
Still writing. Oh, DJI. Really?
Yeah, that's their weird proprietary connector on the controller. This is for like a Mavic.
Rusty USB thing.
Oh, good.
Oh, this is the sample you send in. Is this Q-tip?
Oh my god.
This is collected at all.
I think this is going to be one of those power wash the interior sort of details.
I've got a Gryffindor lanyard.
What do I have the keys for?
This might be the biggest ideria of the day.
I already refuse.
This camo mask. That you could just inhale it.
That's vibrant.
And classic white grape Swisher Sweet.
Yeah, that checks out.
Yeah. Oh, what is this? A bath bomb?
Maybe at one point.
I know it still isn't bad, but
Does it smell lavender sweet?
Everything else that's on there. I don't know what this is, but it has lost its lost whatever it's supposed to be.
Where's Wizard? We need him to lick it.
Ugh. Here's another DJI accessory.
Yo, it's a
Oh! Got
working Mavic battery.
add that to the key pile.
What the heck?
An OU Sooners stabby. What is this?
Bottle.
Packgolf.com. Like, what does this do? Golfers.
The hair thing?
What does this do?
The actual detailing video will come later. This is just
This is.
archaeology. What's behind door number? Oh, this is a split bench. Okay.
Oh, your center console. Okay.
Okay.
Put it on.
Chicago. Trash. So much trash. The remnants of the clutch pedal cover.
What's that jug?
Have probably bleach that I want to drink.
If it's bleach, that's suspicious. Best way to stick your nose all the way in.
It's sealed. Oh, no, it's not.
All the way in.
That's bleach.
Is it really?
Yeah, straight up.
Oh, dude, what is going on with this truck? They bleached something, left this thing idling, and ran away.
We should just pour that on the carpet, really.
Hey, look. Weed box. This is where they kept it.
What? Wait,
Look.
does that actually say weed on it?
It says smoke and Davy something. Oh, and it says weed. This is awesome. Dude, this must, I don't know what that says, but I love that it's like smoke. What does that say? Good over? Good ceviche?
Good vibes. Good
No,
vibes.
That's different than ceviche.
Keep it, maybe, but I don't want to be caught with it in my truck.
Third Planet, dude. Remember that store?
No. I didn't have friends in high school.
It was a mall store.
Yeah, like I said.
No, it's a
it's a
backpack.
children's backpack.
Is it, or is it his weed backpack? Because it's,
Ninja Turtles.
this is definitely his weed backpack.
Yeah,
'Cause you know what he did? He's like, dude, get it, keep my green in here.
Oh, God.
You know that that's what it was.
so
He's like, the cops will never think it's in a Ninja Turtles backpack. I'm like blown away with how disgusting this is. For those at home, if you thought the first video was gross, you have no idea.
All right, so what have we learned today?
Ford Rangers are gross. but we also learned that this guy was a religious, deaf, weed-smoking guy with a girlfriend.
Both of them were small.
Just lived in filth.
Yeah.
Well,
at least
but you got a sweet keep pile here.
Yeah, we found some cool stuff.
So, yeah.
Let's just put that back in the bed.
Put this back. I'll let these fly.
Oh, those will plaster someone's Chevy Traverse later. It'll
You know
be
how
great.
happy that's going to be? Somebody's on the highway on the way home, and they're like, hey, a pair of Guinness boxers hit me.
New year.
But, yeah, Jake, this was really gross. Please don't ever ask me to do this again.
Don't worry, I will.
Okay, at least I got these out of the deal.
Oh yeah, those are pretty sweet.
These are pretty nice. These are going to clean up nicely.
That's not something you can just go buy either.
No, that's why when I saw them, I was like,
They're
I had to have them.
Pre-aged.
I had to have them.
They're pickled.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping, man.
Yeah.
Now the only problem is I now know what's in this truck, and with that knowledge, I have to drive this to a meeting with my CPA. So, wonderful. Thanks for watching.
My CPA.
Yeah, I had to throw that in. I had to throw that in to be fancy.
Wow. This is Big Dog YouTuber.
Listen, I'll take chances on a lot of stuff like this interior. I will not take chances with the IRS.
It's all I take chances with, dude. Tax fraud all day.